Okay, I'm gonna show you a vegetarian or vegan healthy meal option. I've been once a day adding sprouts, making a raw live sprout meal. This one is not all raw because the baked tofu was cooked. I added baked tofu from a pre-made package, but you can also just put your own tofu in a nori roll, which I'll wrap up. Organic lettuce. The broccoli I lightly steamed. That's why it's not raw today, but usually I do raw. And then I add on sprouts. So I hope this is giving you an idea. I've been homemaking, growing all kinds of sprouts. These are lentil sprouts. You can just do it in a strainer or you can do it in a sprouting jar. These are daikon radish sprouts, which I'll add on. I've also been growing some microgreens. You can also grow your own. These are pea shoots microgreens, and these are clover. You can just grow it in a little container on your windowsill, and then you can cut it and have those microgreens. A lot of people buy them in the store, but in the last month I've been learning how to do this on my own, a little raw foodish or sprout meal. And then here's what gives it this kind of nice salty flavor is sauerkraut. You can use cabbage. I've been making my own with salt water, sometimes dill. This is carrots, but you can also do it with cabbage. And then you add it on, roll it up, and you have this nori. These are nori sheets. This healthy vegan and vegetarian live food, sprouted, sometimes all raw, up to you, and it's delicious. You get so many more nutrient sprouts in the sprouts than when they're cooked. So if this inspires you or give you ideas, enjoy. I bought the book, The Sprout Book by Doug Evans, and I learned a lot from that, which is useful if you want to get more into this. Even if you're eating a lot of junk processed food or even animal foods or meats, I think by adding more sprouts and foods like this will make you maybe crave less of the junk processed sugars, foods, and meats. So add on more of the good stuff and you'll want less of the bad stuff. I do a talk as well on a live Insight Timer app, Mondays, 1:30 p.m., usually every week, about shifting to plant-based yogic diet, which is vegan or vegetarian. If you have questions or want to learn more, and it's free and anyone can join, I've got information on my website, sunlightyoga.com. Have a great day. Namaste.